I'm going to show you how you can add new inventory items to standard time when the barcodes or QR codes for those inventory items have never been scanned in standard time. Of course, the whole point of this is so that operators and employees can scan those barcodes and deduct from the quantity in stock. So let's start by going over to Home All Views and then Scan Barcodes. Click the menu, choose Barcode Rules. I've created a new barcode rule that allows me to distinguish inventory scans from other types of barcode scans. And I've done that using the condition types. And the first one I've chosen is starts with a dash, the next is ends with 000, and then having a character length of greater than 8. Now, of course, you would choose whatever conditions match your inventory scans so that you can distinguish those inventory scans from other scans you might perform. If you're using QR codes, you probably should use contains multiple values. Once you've done that, you can then choose create inventory for the action, and you can save certain values to the inventory record that you've created and pick values out of the QR code and save those into the fields of the newly created inventory record. Of course, again, the whole point of this is so that you can recognize new barcodes that have never been seen by standard time that are coming in on the loading docks or warehouses and create new records for those so that employees can then scan those inventory items and deduct from the quantity in stock. So again, I got here by going to the Home All Views. First of all, going to the inventory page, but then going to scan barcodes, and then the menu, and then barcode rules, and then clicking the plus button to create a new barcode rule that can distinguish newly incoming inventory records from other scans that you've done using the conditions on the right-hand side. So hopefully this helps in creating new rules that can identify newly arriving inventory items.